Hey everyone, it's Friday, 12 o'clock, and we are currently much late for Reach the Beach. Pretty excited. Yay. It is currently 2:30. We left at like 12:30, maybe 12:40. We just got food. Whoa, my GoPro is really clear now since I updated it. That's just kind of creepy. 2 hours down, 2 more to go. Update, we're here. We're in Ocean City. There is our place. We're here to go check in real quick. What do you have to say, Mom? How was that 5-hour drive? Awesome. It's great. A great check in. We have an oceanfront room, so it's pretty lit. Like, I'm excited.
We have a great view of the clouds.
Oh, yeah. You know, just a normal hotel, you know? Yep. Bed. That's not overpacking. Totally not. Bed. TV. Conjoining door to a random room, you know? Just a table, a couch, you know? But just walk over here and BAM! You got the ocean. Look at that view. Oh, look. That's a great pool. I think I want to go swimming in there later. It's just a tad cloudy. Just a little bit. I just tripped. I almost just fell. That just happened. Now, good question is, does this lock? Wait, Alexis has the solution. Oh, look who fixed it. Dang, look at me go. Be an engineer. Oh, and that was a £1/4 pound? Yeah. Okay. What is it?
It's peanut butter. It's just creamier because they put white chocolate in it or something. You don't like it? Okay.
I forgot to vlog when it was actually nice outside. So it is now 8 o'clock. Yes, 8 o'clock. And we are going to get dinner at this place called the Crab Bag, which is in Ocean City, obviously. And it's really good. The last time we had it was when we were here for Reach the Beach, like 5 years ago. 4 years ago. 4 years ago. It's a really good place, so if you're ever here, you should definitely check it out because it's pretty good. They have some bomb cornbread, let me tell you that. Some pretty good cornbread. You never get enough cornbread. It's some dang good cornbread. And then if you eat too much, they lie and tell you that they don't have any more, even though they're giving it to other people. So just a heads up in case you really like cornbread like me.
How you turn this thing on?
I don't really know. You turned it on. All right, I'm not gonna bring this with me, so deuces. We're at the Crab Shack. Just looking through the menu, waiting to be seated. So, you know. 9:25. I just woke up. I set an alarm for 8 o'clock because I didn't know how late or early we're getting up, and so then I just turned it off because Mom yelled at me, or I don't know, someone turned it off. I thought I did, maybe you did, I don't know. Breakfast ends in 30 minutes, so I guess we need to hurry up. So it's really nice outside, if you can tell, because like you can probably actually see my face. There you go. I mean, look at that. Like, dang. Like, hello. So, yeah, it's really nice outside. So we're gonna go walk on the beach. Normal stuff. Oh, Fruit Loops. You know that's what I'm gonna eat. Oh, good Lord, it is freezing outside. Got my milk. So, thank you, hair. Appreciate it. Lord have mercy, I can't do anything right. It's indoor and it's heated. That lady was looking at me funny, sorry. We are going to Walmart. I'm going to actually get something for my little twister buddy. Her name is Riley. That's what she looks like. There's an amusement park.
Wow.
Oh my god.
It's pretty.
They were talking about that on the group chat. They were like, let's go to the amusement park. And I was like, what are they talking about?
I don't think it's open.
It's right there. Just charge my GoPro again? Good lord. I use this thing too much. Okay, so we're at Walmart now. I was waiting for cheer updates for Blackout and Cobalt and Rain. None of them hit. They all had like an athlete fall or two or building fall and whatnot, so I'm kind of crying right now. I'm pretty sure Reach the Beach has officially cursed Maryland Twisters, but you know, it's fine, it's fine. So if I don't hit well, this is what we got so far. Okay, we got some Peeps, some Twizzlers, some glow sticks, and a towel that has donuts with sprinkles on them because she's on sprinkles. So, I mean, yeah. Try and guess where we are and what we're getting.
For real?
For real. We're at Royal Farms. Find your machine. Where's my machine? Oh, I see it. Well, I see the things. Hello.
All flavors, $2.99.
Alrighty. Easy enough. Boom.
My neck, my back, my cookies and my sack. I said my neck, my back, my cookies and my sack.
These are my teammates for you.
Crystal threw sand in my jeans, so I threw sand in her hair.
Oh, I heard. This sand is so cold. Holy God, I can't feel my feet.
Hey guys, it's Courtney. We're all at the beach right now. We're excited to compete today. Alexis is gonna do my hair because my mom's not here. And I can't use my own hair. Like, God help us. That's my hotel right there. It's Alexis.
The water came up to my feet.
The water is like really cold, but the waves are so big, I don't understand.
4:37. We're 7 minutes late already. Should have been there already. It's fine. My hair and makeup are done. I did Courtney's hair. And I forgot to vlog it, but that's okay. So yeah, gotta go.
I went to the boardwalk to sit in the car, and I sat in the car, and like, it broke.
We gave our presents to our Twisters buddies.
Oh, I love
It was so fun. She really liked it. I was really happy. Don't know where half the team is, but it's fine. It's fine. Dang it, I missed that.
I feel honored to be on your vlog. I was supposed to be vlogging this whole time.
On your phone?
I forgot to vlog like this whole entire day, and so I walked into the room to meet, and I was like, hey guys, it's been. You didn't see what my day yesterday looked like because I'm a failure. Like,
Kendall's one of my favorite people.
my life is honestly like so problematic. It's.
Say hi to my vlog.
Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Hey guys. Abby, show them your finger. It's better. It's still a little swollen. It was horrible. It was horrible. I was there. I witnessed it. Broken vortex.
Get out challenge.
Yes, I've seen that.
Honey, there's people below here and they're gonna think they're the
Get out challenge.
Kenny. I have a chest strap.
Okay, so compete with that on.
Back walkovers with that on would be so
I know. Wait, warm yourself up first.
It's off, Alexis.
No, it's not. It's blinking. It's on.
No, the camera, the thingy's off.
The screen goes dim, yes.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
with me and Misha.
Can I do my double whip for your, what do you call your people that watch your videos?
My subscribers?
Do you have a name for that?
No, I don't. I need one.
Can I do your double whip?
Yes. Ready? Go.
No, we're gonna. I hate myself.
Oh, Abby, will you put this on and do that?
Sure.
Yay, okay.
I have a head strap too, but...
Go again.
Go again.
We're gonna... Kendall, what are you doing?
Kendall, you're embarrassing me.
Wow.
Well, let's get it.
What size? Medium or large? Ready? Ready?
I was turned around, but I was looking at my up and down my butt. I don't want to.
Ready? We're gonna jump the ball. You guys are doing
That's awkward. Awkward. Wait, I forgot to stop it. We just competed, kind of ish, not really. We competed at 7:15ish and it's 8 now. We did pretty good, I guess. Everything hit. I was really scared for second stunt because I was reasons. I had an anxiety attack behind stage before we went on, but it's cool. It's all good. And we were in a horrible hall. I didn't like where we were performing in. It's just, we literally performed in a movie theater. Like, no joke, a movie theater. Like, I'm not kidding you. We performed in a movie theater. But, you know, it's fine. It's fine. So, yeah, that's the little thing for right now. And, deuces.
You feel it every single time. I'll show that you're the only thing that stays on my mind. Tell me that you hold me and I'll never leave your side. I'll show that there ain't no reason for words to define our love.